Hello and welcome back to Blackboard Learns at LaSalle, and today we're going to look at two ways we can add the syllabus to our content. So you can add the syllabus into your content page to a content folder or as a file. However, there is a link for the syllabus that is available on the left hand side, and that will be available for students and parents on the student page as well. So we're going to double click on the syllabus and we will then get the workstation in order to add our syllabus. So I've already pulled my syllabus up and I'm going to simply copy the syllabus information, and then I'm going to go back to my Blackboard page and I'm going to simply paste it in. Now notice when I pasted it in, the image that I had with the title was not there. So I'm going to have to add that image back in, but you may have to do some alignment on your work here. You may have to add some spaces or take spaces away to make it look more like it did on your Word document. So just go through your document and see what needs to be realigned and you should be okay. Now remember, to add that image, I'm going to go to an extra space. I'm going to choose the image icon here on the bottom of the work tools, and I know that image that I want is in my computer in the Sophia folder. So I'm going to go to my Sophia folder and pull that up and choose the image, and I'm going to LS Nerd Pride. And again, when you name and describe your image, it's up to you how you're going to do that. I tend to use the same, that way I can find it easier later. And I'm going to make this a little smaller, so I'm going to go to Appearance up here at the top, and I'm going to make this 150. Actually, I'm going to make it smaller, 100. And remember, when you choose the second box, it keeps the aspect ratio for you, and then simply choose Insert. And so now you have that image back in, and your syllabus should be aligned. And make sure you check the formatting to make sure everything is aligned as you wish it is. So here I have some alignment issues, and this is just like working with a Word document, so just space and change the fonts if you need to. You can colorize it if you want to. I think I'll do that later to highlight certain aspects of the syllabus. The beauty of Blackboard is it's not all black and white, so you can use color to highlight text or to change images and make that syllabus more come alive for your students and for you. So this again is one way to add your syllabus, simply adding in the information by a copy and paste method, and you should have everything pretty much as it is on the syllabus that you normally hand out for your classes. So there we go. Now don't forget, you're going to check other things like I'm going to track the views. You want the users to be able to see this information, and then make sure you choose Submit. And once you choose Submit, everything should be okay. So we will go back to our syllabus, and that is the workstation again. Now the second way to add in a syllabus is to actually add in the file. So I'm going to do that in my other class. So I'm going to go up here to Classes, and I'm going to go to my Chemistry Honors Period 3, and I'm going to close the old syllabus that I used before. And now we're using the same syllabus, so when I choose Syllabus now, this time, instead of copy and pasting, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here to where it says Attachments. So I scroll down to where it says Attachments, go to Browse My Computer, and when I browse my computer, I know that that syllabus file is in my LaSalle file, and it's in the LaSalle Science, which is right here. And in LaSalle Science I have a department and then syllabus. I know one day I'm going to lose my mind and never be able to find any of the files that I've saved, but until that day happens, at least we can still find stuff. So we go to syllabus, and we are going to use the 2014-2015 Honors Chemistry Syllabus, and I simply double click and there is the syllabus. So now when I submit, again I'm going to have them track views, and I'm going to go ahead and submit. So we remind you that you can use the student view, the eyeball up at the left, actually the circle with the two arrows, and I'm going to go to Content, and there's the information that they normally have in Content, but we're going to choose Syllabus, and that is an attached file, so they can call that up. They should be able to call that up. It's a document. Oh, it went to my downloads. So here it is over here. Remember, on a Mac it goes to the downloads, and there is the document for students to use. So whether you copy and paste and create an actual document, or you actually upload the document, is entirely up to you, but make sure your students understand how to use that. Let's go back and look at the period 1 and see how that might be a little different. So when I go to classes and I go to period 1 this time, now remember period 1 we copy and pasted the information, so when we choose syllabus, I'm not in student view. See? Don't be afraid to make mistakes or change things, so we're going to go up to student preview again. And when we go to student preview, we're going to go down and choose syllabus. And notice that when the syllabus comes up, it comes up as the actual part of the Blackboard. So it depends on how you want to present your syllabus, how you want students to use it. If you want students to be able to print it out, you may want to put it in as a file. If you just want them to have the access to it, you may want it added into the Blackboard content. So it's entirely up to you, and hopefully this was helpful in getting your syllabus up on your Blackboard. So keep working on your Blackboard.